Hello, my name is Martin from the Lighthouse Benelux office. I'm going to show you how the Air Pro system is working. I'm going to give you a small demonstration how to test an installed HEPA filter. I use 4 components for this. One generator, I just switched the generator on. So the generator will give me particles for upstream challenge to test the filter, to see if there are any leaks and to see if the efficiency is okay of this HEPA filter. I use a generator for that. I use a particle counter, a diluter and a Air Pro device. So at the moment I switch my particle counter on, then also my Air Pro device switches on. And when I set the particle counter to filter scan mode, then I have the possibility to control the whole system through this Air Pro display. The Air Pro device is made so that I have a full control over all the components. I can switch on the diluter, I can switch on the particle counter. So the first test, if we are going to test the filter, is to connect the upstream challenge through the diluter, through the particle counter. The diluter will automatically set to dilution if I go to the upstream setting of my Air Pro device. And when I start the particle counter, it will dilute automatically the sample because the sample is too high concentrated for the particle counter. So I switch to upstream challenge and I will start the particle counter. It's now sampling the upstream concentration through the diluter, and it tells me that the concentration is about 30 million. If the instrument doesn't accept the value because it's too high or too low or too unstable, it will ignore the value and you have to repeat the upstream concentration measurement. So now I did the upstream concentration, it's 34 million, and I will go to downstream. If I go to downstream, I can check the filter efficiency and I can I'm able to look for leaks. So I will demonstrate it. I'm going to hit the button, and when it's in a not clean environment, it will directly give me an alarm. But at the moment I hit the filter, I come to the filter, I am able to scan the filter about 3 centimeters away from the filter, and I can scan with a speed of 2 inches per second. When I come close to a leak, it will give me an alarm. So at the moment this HEPA filter integrity is very good. While there is no beep, there's no value that's higher than 0.01%. And if I'm going to cross over a leak, then it will give me an alarm. So this filter looks okay. Wow, here there is an alarm. Somewhere here in this neighborhood there is a leak. I'm going to try to find the leak, and if I'm at the leak, I can hit a button. A button where it is going to calculate the percentage of leak. And the percentage of leak is 0.08%. So I can store that value in the memory of the particle counter. After my scanning operation, I can print out all the leak values. So I go again to scan mode and I continue scanning. If I find another leak, I will store that leak and I will be able to print out the leak later on. So this filter only has 1 leak, so I can stop my scanning operation. After stopping this operation, there's a button active for printing. So it will print out the result of my testing, and on the printer paper there is information about operator, there's information about the filter, and there's also information about my leak. So this is the way how you operate the Air Pro system. Thank you for watching.